Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to jack up Toyota Corolla 2020. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, chock the rear wheels, and place a jack under the designated lift point. Use a quality hydraulic jack and a jack stand to support the vehicle before working underneath. Lift slowly, check stability, and never rely on the jack alone. Wear gloves and eye protection while you work safely. Gather the right tools before you start. A hydraulic jack rated for your vehicle, at least one jack stand, wheel chocks, and a lug wrench. Inspect the jack and stands for damage and confirm the lift points in the owner manual or underbody labels. Clear the area of debris and people, remove the center cap if needed, and loosen lug nuts slightly before lifting. Stay calm and deliberate as you work. Position the jack under the designated lift point on the pinch weld or jacking pad, then raise the vehicle until the tire clears the ground. Place a jack stand under a sturdy frame point and lower the car slowly onto the stand, ensuring it seats securely. Do not crawl under until you gently rock the car to confirm stability. When finished, raise slightly to remove the stand, lower carefully, and torque lug nuts to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.